How to get a haircut that you'll actually like. That is the topic of this video. Now, you would think going into this, or going in to get a haircut, going in to get whatever service you're getting, you want to like it, right? You would think it's that simple. But chances are that's not always the case. And please leave a comment down below in the comment section if you thought it was that simple. You literally went in and said, I want a haircut, this is what I want, and it turned out to be a hair crime scene, an absolute disaster. I'd love to know. But, you know, it's one of those things where you just don't know. So how do you get a haircut that you know you will like? It really comes down to you having a vision of what you want, making sure your hair can actually do that, meaning you have the hair type, you have the hair texture, you have the hair density. Your hair can literally get the style that you're looking for. Now, if it's something as simple as just going in for the same haircut you have all the time, over and over and over again, chances are you're going to be happy all the time, okay? Maybe one time, maybe it's a little too short or left a little bit longer. It happens. But if you are going to someone new and you want to get a haircut that you know you're going to like, you really can only put it in the hands of the person cutting your hair, and there's no 100% guarantee. You can show them every photo you want. You can describe to them how to even cut your hair. You can use all the verbiage and terminology in the world, but really when it comes down to it is that you may not like it, okay? But if you want to get the haircut that you want and you want to like the haircut, you need to really be very, very thorough, okay, from the start of what you're looking for. And also go over things that you don't like about haircuts that you've had in the past that weren't your favorites. A lot of times, if you explain that to somebody right off the bat, like for example, in the past I've had clients come in and I would say, so what don't you like about haircuts that you get, or what didn't you like about your last haircut, or what didn't you like about all your bad haircuts? If they ask you that, that's a good sign, okay? If they don't ask you that, then say, well, I just want to go over a couple of things that I don't like in some of my worst haircuts. These are the things that I absolutely hated, and I don't want that to happen. Meaning, don't go too short on the sides, or I don't want to see skin, or, it was cut way too high around my ear, or my hairline in the back was brought up too high. I hate when that happens. If we can leave it a little more natural. If you bring up the things you don't like about haircuts, then chances are, most of the time, they'll do the opposite because they're gonna get freaked out. If you say to them, oh, I don't like it too short on the sides, they will not cut it too short on the sides, trust me. Unless they're just awful at what they do, who knows. But you stand a better chance by getting the haircut that you like when you tell them what you don't like about other haircuts that you've had in the past. And then from there, you can explain kind of like the style, what you're looking to do, how often you want to maintain it. It really comes down to the professional being very thorough with the consultation. They should be asking you, what don't you like about when you get your haircut and you don't like it? What do you like about your haircuts when you really love them? Or what was your favorite haircut? I mean, like, what makes you feel really great? Those are the types of things, and unfortunately, there's a smaller percentage of people who are actually thorough with that in this business, unfortunately. And a lot of times it's, oh, look at a magazine, or what do you want today, or what are we doing, or what, it's like a 2-second consultation, but that's the most important thing, especially when you want to get a haircut that you like. So let me know in the comments below if this video helped you. Try out that tip. Even watch this video, go get a haircut and explain to them what you didn't like about haircuts in the past, and see if that works. Chances are it's really going to help you get better haircuts. Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.